In this video, let's talk about 3 similar setups on XPEV, NIO, and Li Auto. All of these stocks are Chinese stocks and they are EVs, electrical vehicle companies. I will also be talking a little bit about Tesla as well as RIVN, as they are also EVs, and we're kind of seeing this sector rotation where all of the EV setups have similar setups. A previous market rotation setup was on oil, and we made some pretty good money on that. So I will be talking about this in this video. Subscribe with notifications on. I will also be live streaming tomorrow right at market open. We had a pretty good 2-hour stream today, and make sure to join the Discord, link in the description, and let's get started. So let's get started with XPEV first, because I did enter into a call position 3 weeks out at the money strike. We're taking a look at XPEV, and the one thing that I really like to take a look at is it had a previous descending triangle breakout, and we entered in right at the level of support. So I love the probability of buying in right at the level of support. So we are playing this potential bounce to the upside right here for XPEV. Our stop loss is going to be to close below $13.61, because if we close below this level, we have broken the trend to the downside, and that is going to be bearish. This is also going to be a great average down position. So if tomorrow we do have a red day, we can buy in calls right here as an average down, and then leave that stop loss to close below. Our price target, the first price target I'm looking at, is around $16.25. I do have 3 weeks of time on here, so if I take a look at the weekly candles, $16 I think is a really profitable target for XPEV. Especially if we take a look at kind of like the history here, it has some pretty good green candles, and especially if the overall market is bullish also. So this is what I am taking a look at for XPEV. Next we have NIO. NIO already broke out. It broke out of its consolidation pattern, and we are now entering in a gap. So NIO is also actually a really nice play here to play the breakout and entry into the gap, price target being $10.20, which is the gap fill. So this is a solid gap fill for NIO, and we can also see again a great opportunity to really buy in a solid breakout of the consolidation period to fill this gap to the upside. And especially stocks like these, when they run, again, they run incredibly because it is a smaller cap stock. Now Li is a lot more interesting than NIO, because Li has a solid symmetrical triangle, and it looks actually a lot similar to XPEV. Li bounced off the support right here, so the stop loss is going to be the close below for Li Auto, and then the price target is going to be resistance at $40.85. So this setup looks very nice. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Looks really good. Even here on the weekly time frame, it looks even more interesting right here, because not only do we have a symmetrical triangle breakout, then we have a consolidation breakout from this channel. So this is what I am taking a look at for Li Auto. Next we have Tesla, which is again an EV stock. Pretty much all EV stocks are looking bullish. I entered in a call position for Tesla before market closed. I alerted it on Discord, so make sure to join the Discord, link in the description. So my price target for Tesla is going to be 267, getting extremely tight for Tesla, and I think it's going to run with Li Auto, XPEV, NIO, and I think all EVs are really going to run tomorrow. This squeeze is very nice on Tesla, so it's going to be very interesting if we can hit that price target this week for Tesla. Next we have RIVN, which is already breaking out. We talked about this RIVN setup in one of our previous newsletters. This was on, we made a video on it. You guys can check it also on my Twitter or X. So we had this breakout for RIVN. I did play calls on it, but we got out at like right here at the resistance, It is consolidating right now, so it's getting very interesting, setting up for another potential play. We can also short it to the downside or calls to the upside like the BA play. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of like the three main stocks that I'm watching: XPEV, Neo, and Lee. I am already in XPEV calls. I just love the risk to reward. I love the chart setup, and other than that, you guys can chat with me on Discord. You guys can get the live buy and sell alerts. And tomorrow I will be going live on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe with notifications on and click here and click notify me so you guys can join me live, because today we had a really good day trade on end phase today. We had a good day trade on end phase today live, so you guys can see live buy and sell alerts on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys tomorrow right at market open.